Ko te manaaki tangata te take, ka whai wā tēnei kai tūao ki te kaupapa nei.
The beauty in the faces that are taking the food home to feed their children. And I mean, there's lots of families out there that are doing that, and you know that they're getting fed. It brings a smile to your face when you see the smile on the mokopuna. You give them a chocolate and they go away happy chappies.
E te kau ngā tau kimuri, I whakarewaina ai e Rebecca Culver, I te kaupapa nei, mai te pūtu o tōna motoka. Kia mimiti ai te maumau kai, ka mutu ki te awhina I ngā whānau rawa kore.
I have to be honest and say that I probably never imagined that we would get to this point. I think that when we first started there was a lot of naysayers, a lot of people who went, it'll never work because we're getting free food and we're giving it away for free, and so there's no, how can that work? There's no money.
I roto I te tekau mārua marama kua tahake, I whātoro ai o nā ringaringa awhina ki te waru tekau mā tahi mano taangata, atu I te kotahi rau ngā kai tūao, atu I te whārau tekau mā iwa tana o ngā kai I tā kohātu ki te hapori.
We get products in, we sort them, we mark the barcodes on every item and we put them out on the shelves for our client base to come in and grab enough for that day.
We get the food in, we put our Jay-Z signature on the barcodes and put them on the shelves and have a bit of a laugh.
Kia kaua e whakaiti e whakahāwea hoki I te tangata, te aronga matua mā enei kai tūao, kia pai ai tā rātou awhina atu I te hapori.
Anyone can come to Just Zilch. So we get whānau, with 9 kids who would come in as much as we get someone who's homeless or someone who's working, because actually we don't know their story. Everyone has a story we know nothing about, right? And so it's not our place to judge. It's just our place to give. And so we give freely and make sure that there's enough for everyone to go round.
We give out lots of free food to all the whānaus that actually need it. I'd like to be around longer than it yet. As long as the Lord keeps me here, the better it is.
Ko te tauira ko Just Zilch, nāna I para I te huarahi mā ngā kaupapa tākoha kai pēnei e te kaumā ono puta noa I te motu. Tema Hemi, te reo o te uru.